Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is August 13th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from SBC Medical, a global leader in cosmetic treatment center management. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. SBC Medical has just released their Q2 2025 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue declines to strategic shifts in their business model.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. SBC Medical reported total revenues of $43 million for Q2 2025, which is an 18% decrease year over year. John, what are the main factors behind this decline?
The revenue decline is primarily due to the discontinuation of their staffing business and targeted divestitures. They've also revised their fee structure for franchising services, which impacted the top line. Despite these challenges, they are focusing on growth in procurement and rental services.
And what about profitability? Their net income saw a significant drop.
Indeed, net income fell by 87% to $2.5 million. This was largely due to unfavorable changes in other income and expenses, particularly higher foreign exchange losses. Their adjusted EPS came in at cent, missing the forecast of $4 by a wide margin.
Operational efficiencies and strategic initiatives. Despite the financial setbacks, SBC Medical has been expanding its franchise network. Can you tell us more about their operational efficiencies and strategic initiatives?
Absolutely. Their EBIT decreased by 46% to $15 million, with the margin dropping to 35%. However, they've increased their franchise locations to 259, up by 36 from last year. This expansion is part of their strategy to optimize their franchise model and capture growth opportunities.
And how are they performing in terms of customer engagement?
They've seen a 14% increase in customer visits, reaching 6.31 million over the last 12 months. This indicates strong brand loyalty and effective customer retention strategies, with a repeat rate of 72% for customers visiting more than once.
CEO's perspective and future outlook. Let's discuss the leadership's perspective. What did CEO Yoshiyuki Aikawa have to say about these results and the company's future?
CEO Yoshiyuki Aikawa emphasized that the Q2 results reflect strategic shifts aimed at long-term competitiveness. Despite challenges like trade restrictions and cautious consumer spending, they are advancing key initiatives, including the acquisition of MB Career Lounge and integrating Jun Clinic into their network.
What are their future plans?
Looking ahead, SBC Medical is focused on optimizing their franchise model, transitioning to higher margin models, and delivering lasting value to shareholders. They remain confident in their strategic roadmap despite the current headwinds.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, let's talk about the EPS forecast. Analysts were expecting 14 cents, but the actual EPS was just 0.02 cents. What does this tell us?
This significant miss indicates that the market was overly optimistic about SBC Medical's ability to navigate the current challenges. The single analyst covering the stock might have underestimated the impact of strategic shifts and external factors like foreign exchange losses.
How should investors interpret this?
Investors should be cautious and consider the broader strategic context. While the EPS miss is concerning, the company's long-term initiatives and franchise expansion could offer potential upside if executed effectively.
Key takeaways. In summary, SBC Medical's Q2 2025 results highlight significant challenges but also strategic opportunities. While revenue and EPS fell short, their franchise expansion and customer engagement remain strong. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. It's crucial for investors to weigh the short-term setbacks against the company's long-term strategic goals.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on SBC Medical's performance. Until next time.